Most students get simple exponential equations wrong. Here is a simple method that guarantees the correct answer every time. Watch the entire video to the end to master it. So here is an example of a simple exponential equation. We are given this example to find the what x will be. So in order to do this, what you need to do is we are told to find x. So what you need to do, this are a simple exponential equation. So we are going to make both sides to have the same basis. There, from there, we can equate the exponents or index to find our x. So I want you to listen very carefully. So in order to get this x, what you need to do is this 9 raised to power 2 into bracket 2x plus 1 is equals to, this is 3 raised to power 4. 3 raised to power 4 bracket x minus 2 times 3 minus 3 raised to power minus x. So here you have 3 raised to power 4, 2 times 2x, that is 4x, 2 times 1, that is plus 2, is equals to 3 raised to power 4 times x, that is 4x, 4 times minus 2, that is minus 8, times 3 raised to power minus x, 3 raised to power minus x. So you have 3 raised to power 4x plus 2 is equals to 3. From the law of indices, where you have a similar base like this, so you pick one and this exponent will be plus. So you have 4x minus 8 plus minus x. So this will give us 3 raised to power 4x plus 2 is equals to 3 4x minus 8 there, plus, we are opening the bracket now to solve it, plus times minus, that is minus. So you have here minus x. Are you following? So you have 3 raised to power 4x plus 2 is equals to 3 raised to power 4x minus 8 minus x. So here, both sides are having the same base. When in exponential equation, when both sides are having the same base, you simply equate the exponent. So it's going to be 4x plus 2 is equals to 4s minus 8 minus x. So from here now, you have 4s plus 2 is equals to, you have 4x minus x minus 8. So you have 4x plus 2 is equals to 3x minus 8. This is what you want to find, x. So it's x we want to find. So you have 4x, bring this 3x to this side. When it's crossing the equal side, to change to the sign will change That will be minus 3x is equals to minus 8 here. When this plus 2 crosses this equal sign, it turns to negative minus 2. So from here, you have 4x minus 3x, that is x, is equals to minus 8 minus 2, that is minus 10. So this is our final answer. This is our final answer. I hope you are able to grasp this. If you are still having any issue with this very equation, do not hesitate to leave your question in the comment section. I'll be glad to respond to every single one. My name still remains Olusegun Abubakar. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.